learn all about butterflies. Yes, butterflies are so graceful, the way they flutter about and, smell pretty flowers.
Oh. Hey, Tilly, look. There's a butterfly.
He's beautiful.
Yeah.
Here's something fascinating. Before a butterfly can become a butterfly, it has to go through a metamorphosis.
A what?
Metamorphosis is a big change. It says here there are 4 very different stages in the life of a butterfly. It starts as an egg, and when the egg hatches, a caterpillar comes out. It grows and sheds its skin, and when it does it for the last time, it forms a chrysalis.
Oh, it looks like a tiny sleeping bag.
Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar turns into a butterfly.
I thought that would come next. It's Wow! Ta-da! Elmo is Elmo Butterfly. Come on, little butterfly. Let's be butterflies together. Oh, you too. Flap, flutter, and fly with us.